Looking for a Las Cruces home with authentic New Mexico character, practical living space, and strong value? Well, this home is it. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, wood beams, vigas, a fireplace, an open floor plan, and mature landscaping. Let's take a look. Now, I want to show first of all that this home is actually like in a cul-de-sac. So, you know, all the traffic you get is just your neighbors. And then you have 2 ways out right there on Sonoma Springs. And then over here you drive in through this street. So why don't we just go inside and take a look at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is 1,725 square feet and built in 2005. Now, many buyers ask what they can actually get for their money here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Well, this property is a great example of what it can provide. We'll explore the layout, design features, outdoor space, and who this home may fit best. So let's go inside. So as soon as we walk in, high ceilings, I love that. They're probably about 10 feet, right? And look at these southwest room. Let me try to zoom in here. That way you guys can see what I see. Nice. Gives it that southwestern feel and look. So closet, as soon as we come in, right, you can put your closet there. And then look at the vigas and look at the wood here. Look at that. It's just the right amount. Because some houses and some people love that. Wood everywhere, but this house, it just has the right touches. So as soon as we come into the nice open fireplace right there. Look, it's a Kiva style design. It's really not a Kiva, but it is a fireplace. And then I love up here, you can put whatever you want to put up there for decorations. You got these nice pendant lightings. Let's go into the kitchen since we're already here. Love it. Look at this. A lot of counter space here. Right here. I love that you can see to the living room. It's open. This is gas stove. And then cabinets. And then you still have right here your design, right? Beautiful, beautiful home out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Yes, and this home, guys, this home is located in Sonoma Ranch. So for the location, the price, we would never see these prices here. As far as the price, we would not see them, a while ago, but now prices have dropped and you can get a really nice home in the area if that's what you're looking for. So why don't we just start over here on this side. Let's go back to the main door so we can try to understand the floor plan, which is really nice because it's a split floor plan. So this is the main door, right? This is what we were showing. And then you have 1 bedroom over here on this side. This is the shared bathroom. We'll come back to that. But look at the size of the room. It's a really good size. I love this detail here. You have your closet. And you notice tile throughout the whole house. So allergy-free house. Hey, just stop here. Stop the video, please. Look for that subscribe button. If you haven't done it, please subscribe. I know it doesn't mean anything to you, but it means a lot to us. We're trying to grow our channel, and if you could help us, that would be fantastic. So please subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. A little nicho up there so you can place whatever you want. And then I love this. You have your washer and dryer on this side, and look, see that? It's got a little step down. In case something happens, you have a drain there, so it all drains out. And it looks like you do have gas on this side if you wanted a gas or electrical outlet for your dryer. So you have both options. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. That is the garage. We don't have to go in the garage. Let's continue going throughout the whole house. All right, so that was one bedroom on this side. Let's go. This is a really functional layout. Really nice. Here is the other bedroom. Nice. All right, let's keep going. Now, as you saw, there is wood beams, and Viga brings a classic New Mexico style to this home. While it has a timeless appeal, and the functionality of this home is really fantastic. And obviously the kitchen, it's remaining connected to the main living room area, so it's supporting the modern lifestyles. Hey guys, also what I love about this home is you have Mountain View Medical, which is about 7 minutes away. You have the Walmart neighborhood market, which is only 5 minutes away. So you have all the amenities you possibly need. Plus, I mean, you're in town, so everyone delivers in town. This is the primary bedroom, which is really nice. Good size. This door does lead to the outside in case you wanted to go outside through your main bedroom in the mornings, drink a coffee or something. If you're seeking for a Southwest charm, then relocation, wanting authentic New Mexico design, then explore this home, please. By all means, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. And I didn't even tell you guys, but there's like skylights throughout the whole house that just opens and it feels bigger and a lot of natural light. Good size walk-in closet. And the shower is really nice too. I like the little step down here. It's really small. You can sit down, you know, here's an HO. And here it is. Hey guys, let me know in the comments, do you guys like what you see? Now this home does not have an HOA. I know a lot of the viewers, anti-HOA, it's not for everyone, but this home does not have an HOA. Now, a lot of people, when they move from different areas, just because there is no HOA doesn't mean there's covenants and restrictions. Every subdivision has those. We can explain that. If you don't understand that, please reach out to us. We can definitely explain that to you. So let's go, guys. Let's go outdoor, because the outdoor living is really nice. Look at that. You can see the perennials out there. Why don't we go outside and look at that? So this is the backyard right here. It's not big, but you know, this, if you just want to live out your days in where the affordability is really low here in Las Cruces compared to major metropolitan areas, then this is the home for you. Very low maintenance as far as yard work, very minimal. And that's the good thing about buying homes like this, because even though there's not a lot of yard, well, that's fantastic, because you don't have to pick up a lot of weeds or cut grass. We just had a call with one of our clients out from Ohio, and they're saying that they're tired of cutting the grass all the time because it's so humid and just a lot of grass every weekend. I lived through it in Tennessee as well, so I totally get that. So having a small yard where the landscaping is minimal is really fantastic. Here's the other side of the house. Now look guys, this home is priced at $310,000 for a 1,725 square foot home in a really nice area of Las Cruces, New Mexico. What are you guys waiting for? Don't delay. This is when to buy a house. And yes, for this type of home, you would never see it on the market. Once it was up, it was gone already. It was that bad when it was a seller's market. Right now in Las Cruces, we're leaning towards a buyer's market. So if you guys need direction, that's what we do. If you're out a year, it's okay. Give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. If you love to play pickleball, about 5 minutes from here, there's a pickleball area. You guys can do your thing. You just like to walk and stroll. I mean, this is a really nice area of Las Cruces, New Mexico. So guys, give us a call, send us a text. Don't delay, because these houses are going fast. when they're priced right. That's the key right now to selling a home. When the home is priced right, it will go fast. All right, guys, any questions? Give us a call. We know the market. If you would like to subscribe to our newsletter, we also send newsletters every week. Send us your email or send us an email. We'll subscribe you to our weekly newsletter. That way you guys can see what's going on and what's happening in Las Cruces, New Mexico. All that is in the newsletter. So if that interests you, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. Don't leave. Let's go for a drive. See the community. Pickleball area. That's where they play baseball. Playground area. So we have a really nice area here, really nice and green. You have restrooms there. Got basketball courts right here, and then more basketball courts. And then you have beautiful mountain views over here. And that's how I see the mountains from here. So if you are looking for things to do in Las Cruces, New Mexico, not only is there pickleballs here, but there's basketball courts, but there's a playground. People want to just come out and see the mountain views, and you can. And then there's the baseball area over here, the pickleball is over there. There's restrooms over there as well. Guys, yeah, so This is it is new. They're still working on it. So if you want to come out and enjoy the park, then this is beautiful. Come on out to Las Cruces, New Mexico. Things to do. Here we are. So this is the Las Cruces market. 5 minutes away from that house. You need to wash your car? Right here. Mr. Car Wash right there. Very reasonable, vacuum for free. You can vacuum clean it for free. All they charge you is the wash, right? And then on this side, oh, you can't see it, but there it is, Dairy Queen. There's still a Dairy Queen out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. So yeah, hey, really close to that house. And yeah, I was forgetting, the hospital is right there. That's the actual hospital. So a little farther, but there it is.